Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a 9 by 13 inch glass pan and put parchment paper in it. Grind up about 40 Oreo cookies. Melt a half a stick of butter. You're going to use the butter and the Oreo cookies to be the crust of your cheesecake. Put the buttery Oreo cookies into your 9 by 13 inch pan and spread it around and press down with your hands so it kind of becomes one cohesive unit. Now pre-cook the crust for 10 minutes in that 350 degree oven. Now it's time to start the cheesecake filling. So to a stand mixer, you are going to mix 3 blocks of cream cheese. So 3 8-ounce blocks. Next, add a cup of granulated sugar, and then you're going to mix on medium until incorporated. Here I have 1/4 a cup of plain yogurt. Now you can see me adding 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Mix again until everything is just together. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, an 1/8 a teaspoon of salt. Mix until incorporated. Now lastly, you will see me add 3 eggs to the bowl. Then I'm going to mix until it is just incorporated into everything. Pour the peanut butter cheesecake filling on top of the Oreo crust. And it is okay if the crust is still a little bit warm. You should have pressed it in enough that it would still stay cohesive for when you rub around the cheesecake. Here in a microwave safe bowl, I have a 1/2 a stick of butter plus 1 cup of chocolate chips spilled all over the counter. You're going to want to put the chocolate chips in the bowl with the butter, and you're going to microwave it until smooth. Okay, here's my cheesecake that's been in the refrigerator for quite a while, and so it's definitely cooled down. And now I'm going to put the warm chocolate all over the top. Doesn't it look so delicious? Put the cheesecake back in the refrigerator for about an hour to set. Thanks for watching.